Hey there! Welcome to the Easy Gang Sheet Uploader, your new favorite way to upload DTF gang sheets without the guesswork. Let's walk through how it works. Start by dragging and dropping your PNG or PDF files into the uploader. You can add multiple files at once, and we'll take care of the sizing automatically. As you upload, you'll see the price update dynamically, calculated in real time based on the length of each file. The maximum width is always 22 inches, and the minimum length is 10 inches. There's no upper limit. As long as the sheet fits on our printer, we can print it. Need more than one copy? Just adjust the quantity for each design and the total updates instantly. If you need to make a change, just remove a file and upload a new one. It's quick, clean, and totally stress-free. Once everything looks good, hit Add to Cart, and you're ready to go. We'll take it from there, printing your designs with vibrant, eco-friendly DTF transfers. Ready to upload? Head to the Easy Uploader and let's get printing.